Welcome to our journey into the fascinating world of biomolecules. These remarkable compounds are the foundation of all living things, from the tiniest bacteria to the largest mammals. Biomolecules are essential for life, performing a wide range of functions that keep organisms alive and thriving. In this video, we'll explore what biomolecules are, why they matter, and how they shape the world around us. Let's begin by understanding the basics and setting the stage for a deeper dive into their types, structures, and roles in biology. Biomolecules are organic molecules produced by living organisms. They include a vast array of compounds, each with unique structures and functions. These molecules are primarily composed of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sometimes other elements. The diversity of biomolecules allows life to exist in countless forms and environments. Understanding biomolecules helps us appreciate the complexity and beauty of life at the molecular level, setting the foundation for further study in biology and related sciences. Biomolecules can be grouped into four major classes: carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids. Each class plays a distinct role in the structure and function of cells. Carbohydrates provide energy, proteins perform a variety of tasks, lipids store energy and form membranes, and nucleic acids store genetic information. Throughout this video, we'll explore each class in detail, uncovering how they work together to sustain life. Start with carbohydrates. These biomolecules are best known as the body's main source of energy. Found in foods like bread, rice, and fruits, carbohydrates are broken down into glucose, which fuels our cells. They also play structural roles in plants and some animals. Carbohydrates are made up of simple sugars or monosaccharides, which can link together to form complex structures like starch and cellulose. Monosaccharides are the simplest form of carbohydrates. Glucose, fructose, and galactose are common examples. These small molecules are easily absorbed by the body and quickly converted into energy. Their simple structure makes them the building blocks for more complex carbohydrates. Understanding monosaccharides helps us see how energy flows through living systems. When two monosaccharides join, they form disaccharides like sucrose and lactose. When many join, they create polysaccharides such as starch, glycogen, and cellulose. These larger molecules serve as energy storage or structural components. For example, plants store energy as starch while animals store it as glycogen. Cellulose gives plants their rigidity, making it vital for their structure. Proteins are incredibly versatile biomolecules, responsible for countless functions in living organisms. They act as enzymes, speeding up chemical reactions, and as structural components, giving cells their shape. Proteins are also involved in transport, defense, and communication within the body. Made from amino acids, proteins fold into complex shapes that determine their specific roles. Amino acids are the small molecules that link together to form proteins. There are 20 different amino acids, each with unique properties. The sequence and arrangement of these amino acids determine the structure and function of each protein. Some amino acids are essential, meaning our bodies cannot produce them and we must get them from our diet. Proteins have four levels of structure: primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary. The primary structure is the sequence of amino acids. Secondary structures include alpha helices and beta sheets formed by hydrogen bonding. Tertiary structure is the overall 3D shape, and quaternary structure involves multiple protein chains working together. Each level is crucial for the protein's function. Enzymes are special proteins that speed up chemical reactions in the body. Without enzymes, most reactions would occur too slowly to sustain life. Each enzyme is specific to a particular reaction, ensuring that the body's processes run smoothly and efficiently. Enzymes are vital for digestion, metabolism, and many other biological functions. Lipids are another important class of biomolecules. They include fats, oils, and phospholipids. Lipids store energy, insulate the body, and form cell membranes. Unlike carbohydrates, lipids are not soluble in water, making them ideal for creating barriers in cells. Their unique structure allows them to perform a variety of roles in living organisms. Fatty acids are the building blocks of many lipids. When three fatty acids combine with glycerol, they form triglycerides, which are the main form of stored fat in animals. Triglycerides provide long-term energy storage and help protect organs. The structure of fatty acids, whether saturated or unsaturated, affects their function and impact on health. Phospholipids are a special type of lipid that form the main structure of cell membranes. Their unique arrangement allows them to create a barrier between the inside and outside of the cell, while still allowing certain substances to pass through. This selective permeability is crucial for maintaining the cell's internal environment. Steroids and waxes are other types of lipids with unique functions. Steroids, like cholesterol, are important for cell membrane structure and hormone production. Waxes provide protective coatings for plants and animals, helping to prevent water loss and damage. These diverse molecules highlight the versatility of lipids in nature. Nucleic acids are the molecules that store and transmit genetic information. The two main types are DNA and RNA. DNA holds the instructions for building and maintaining an organism, while RNA helps carry out those instructions. These molecules are essential for heredity, evolution, and the functioning of all living things. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is a double helix molecule made of nucleotides. Each nucleotide contains a sugar, a phosphate group, and a nitrogenous base. The sequence of these bases encodes genetic information, which is passed from one generation to the next. DNA replication ensures that genetic information is accurately copied during cell division. RNA, or ribonucleic acid, plays several roles in the cell. It acts as a messenger, carrying genetic instructions from DNA to the machinery that makes proteins. There are different types of RNA, each with a specific function. Messenger RNA mRNA carries the code, transfer RNA tRNA brings amino acids, and ribosomal RNA rRNA helps assemble proteins. Nucleotides are the building blocks of nucleic acids. Each nucleotide consists of a sugar, a phosphate group, and a nitrogenous base. The order of these bases determines the genetic code. Nucleotides also play roles in energy transfer and cell signaling, making them vital for many cellular processes. Biomolecules perform a wide range of functions in living organisms. They provide energy, build structures, store information, and regulate processes. Each class of biomolecule has unique roles, but they also work together in complex networks. Understanding these functions helps us appreciate the intricate design of life. Metabolism refers to all the chemical reactions that occur within living organisms. Biomolecules are central to metabolism, acting as both reactants and products. Enzymes, which are proteins, speed up these reactions, allowing cells to extract energy from food, build new molecules, and remove waste products efficiently. Cellular respiration is a key metabolic process where cells convert glucose and oxygen into energy, carbon dioxide, and water. Carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids can all be used as fuel in this process. The energy released is stored in molecules called ATP, which powers cellular activities. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants, algae, and some bacteria capture energy from sunlight and convert it into chemical energy. Carbohydrates are produced during photosynthesis, providing energy for the plant and, ultimately, for other organisms in the food chain. This process is vital for life on Earth. Biomolecules are essential components of cell structure. Proteins form the cytoskeleton, giving cells shape and support. Lipids create the cell membrane, while carbohydrates are found on the cell surface, aiding in communication and recognition. Together, these molecules maintain the integrity and function of cells. Biomolecules are involved in transporting substances within and between cells. Proteins act as channels and carriers in cell membranes, while carbohydrates help cells recognize each other. Lipids form vesicles that move materials around the cell. These processes are vital for maintaining homeostasis and responding to the environment. Hormones are biomolecules that act as chemical messengers, coordinating activities throughout the body. They can be proteins, peptides, or steroids. Hormones regulate growth, metabolism, reproduction, and many other processes. Their precise control ensures that the body functions smoothly and adapts to changing conditions. Proteins play a crucial role in the immune system. Antibodies are specialized proteins that recognize and neutralize foreign invaders like bacteria and viruses. Other proteins help signal immune responses and destroy harmful cells. The immune system's effectiveness relies on the diversity and specificity of these biomolecules. Flow of genetic information is a central concept in biology. DNA is transcribed into RNA, which is then translated into proteins. This process, known as the central dogma, ensures that genetic instructions are carried out accurately. Each step involves specific biomolecules working in harmony. Biomolecules have played a key role in the evolution of life. Changes in DNA sequences lead to variations in proteins, which can result in new traits. Over time, these changes drive the diversity of life we see today. Studying biomolecules helps us understand the history and development of living organisms. Biomolecules are at the heart of biotechnology. Scientists use DNA, proteins, and other molecules to develop new medicines, improve crops, and solve environmental problems. Techniques like genetic engineering and CRISPR rely on our understanding of biomolecules to make precise changes in living organisms. Biomolecules are crucial in medicine. Understanding how proteins, DNA, and other molecules work helps doctors diagnose diseases, develop treatments, and create vaccines. Many drugs are designed to interact with specific biomolecules, making them more effective and targeted. Our diet provides the biomolecules our bodies need to function. Carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids are macronutrients, while vitamins and minerals act as cofactors for biomolecular processes. Eating a balanced diet ensures that we get all the essential molecules for growth, energy, and health. Biomolecules also impact the environment. Decomposition of organic matter recycles nutrients, while biomolecules in plants help capture carbon dioxide. Understanding these processes is important for addressing environmental challenges like climate change and pollution. Biomolecules are all around us, not just inside living organisms. They're found in food, medicines, cleaning products, and even clothing. Their unique properties make them useful in countless applications, from biodegradable plastics to biofuels. The study of biomolecules continues to inspire new technologies and solutions. Scientists use a variety of laboratory techniques to study biomolecules. Methods like chromatography, electrophoresis, and spectroscopy help identify, separate, and analyze these molecules. Advances in technology have made it possible to study biomolecules in greater detail than ever before. Bioinformatics combines biology, computer science, and mathematics to analyze biomolecular data. This field helps scientists understand genetic sequences, protein structures, and complex biological networks. The use of big data and artificial intelligence is revolutionizing our understanding of biomolecules. Synthetic biology is an exciting field where scientists design and build new biomolecules and biological systems. By combining engineering principles with biology, researchers can create organisms with novel functions, such as bacteria that produce medicines or clean up pollutants. With great power comes great responsibility. The study and manipulation of biomolecules raise important ethical questions. Issues like genetic modification, cloning, and privacy of genetic information must be carefully considered. Ethical guidelines help ensure that research benefits society while minimizing risks. The future of biomolecular science is bright. Advances in technology, data analysis, and synthetic biology are opening new frontiers. We can expect breakthroughs in medicine, agriculture, and environmental protection. Continued research will deepen our understanding of life and help solve global challenges. Let's recap the four main classes of biomolecules: carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids. Each class has unique structures and functions, but all are essential for life. Together, they form the molecular machinery that powers every living organism on Earth. Biomolecules don't work in isolation. They interact in complex networks, forming metabolic pathways and regulatory systems. These interactions ensure that cells respond to changes, repair damage, and maintain balance. The interconnectedness of biomolecules is a testament to the complexity of life. Many diseases are caused by problems with biomolecules. Mutations in DNA can lead to genetic disorders, while misfolded proteins are linked to conditions like Alzheimer's. Understanding these molecular causes is key to developing effective treatments and preventive strategies. Personalized medicine uses information about a person's biomolecules, such as their DNA and proteins, to tailor treatments. This approach can improve effectiveness and reduce side effects. Advances in biomolecular science are making personalized medicine a reality for more people. Biomolecules are important in agriculture, too. Genetic engineering allows scientists to create crops with improved yields, resistance to pests, and better nutritional content. Understanding plant biomolecules helps farmers grow healthier, more productive crops to feed the world. Industries use biomolecules in many ways, from producing biofuels to manufacturing biodegradable plastics. Enzymes are used in detergents, food processing, and even paper production. The versatility of biomolecules makes them valuable resources for sustainable industry. Conclusion: biomolecules are the foundation of life. They shape every aspect of living organisms, from energy and structure to information storage and communication. As we continue to study and harness the power of biomolecules, we unlock new possibilities for health, technology, and our understanding of the natural world. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of life's building blocks.